Hey guys, it's Anissa with the Crafty Author. Trying something out new today. I got some new AirPods, so I'm hoping that the volume will sound a little bit better in the videos. So I hope you like it. Anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to open up the new Wisteria, I think it's Wisteria Lane box from Joann's that they had. This is for a Cricut machine. So, and since I have a Cricut maker, I'm really excited. So I haven't opened it up. I have no idea what's in here. So let's just get started. So it just comes in this cool little box and it pulls out and you can store all your stuff in it. And it looks like we have, I want to be very careful here because we have a new Cricut CUTIE. I have the, looks like the little, it's like an iridescent purple, lavender colored little guy. So now I have a new one to go in a little card that I made. Oh, I made this little car a while back. I'll try and remember to find the file that it belongs to. I can't remember who shared that. Isn't he cute? And then I have another one. This one is gold. It came in a box just like this. So they all have their own little cars. And then this was the original one that I got, and I made him a superhero cape, but he's kind of falling apart, and my grandson broke his antenna. So there's that. So that's my little collection of Cricut bugs, and I have a car for each, just like I told you. So it looks like what we have in here are some pens. Oops, there goes the Cricut cutie. Just set her back in there. There we go. All right, so this looks like, oh, cool. It's a gel pen. This is my first gel pen. And this one is silver. Can't wait to use this one. How fun. Different, definitely has a different tip on it. And a pink gel pen. That's my dog walking, by the way. She's down here with us. She loves to be in the action. So there's that one. And then we have purple, a purple gel pen. Oh, I can't wait to make something with these, like a card or something, and see how it turns out. The plastic wants to stick to my fingers. And there's that. So I got this box from Joann's when they had it on sale. It was normally $49.99 and I picked it up for $24.99. And they shipped it to me. And I think they still have them, but again, they are $49.99. So, oh, cool. So they send you this little booklet with your order so that you can see different projects that you can make with what's in the box. Pretty cool. All right. Like I said, I haven't seen any of this stuff. Ooh, this is beautiful. Beautiful foil embossed paper. Let's see if there's any other variations in here. If I can figure out how to open the packages. There is. Okay, now let's do this away. So you have a pink one. Again, these are foil embossed papers. And then you have another pink one with vertical or horizontal lines, however you'd like to use that. This one's silver. That would be really pretty with on a card. Ooh, I like this. There's so many possibilities with these. That one's really pretty. It's almost like it's like a lavender silver looking type of paper, and then this one has lavender stars on it. It's very, very pretty. Very pretty. We're gonna have to make something with this stuff. That's what I'm thinking. Try and put it back in here. Paper's sticky, so maybe not. Oh, I did it. Yay. Score. All right, so there's that. And then here's another one. Same. It's just the same thing. Foil paper. Oh, and then we have some holographic vinyl. Oh, this stuff's really pretty. It's like a blue color, and it changes to purple and pink when you play with it. It's nice. Let's see what fancy colors came in this. So there's the blue one. And then we have purple. Very pretty. Ooh, and this one's a darker blue. I really like that. Very nice. I can see making some cool things with that. I like to use the holographic vinyl with canvas projects that I make. So like I will paint a canvas and with acrylic paints, and then I will make like signs and stuff for the bathroom or just anywhere in the house. But I did make one for my bathroom, and I used the holographic vinyl for the bathtub, and the bubbles, and it turned out so cute. This is pearl paste vinyl. That's what it says on the package. So that's the pearl colored. It's white, like a cream. It's very pretty. The pink, it's a pink pearl. Oh, so pretty. That'd be pretty for fingernail decals. And green, like a mint green or a baby green. It's very pretty. Here we have some patterned vinyl. Awesome. I'm sorry. I apologize. I think I'm catching a cold. And so my nose gets a little plugged. Tis the season for it, right? I hope none of you have a cold right now. And if you do, I hope you feel better. Oh, this is neat. So I haven't done anything with patterned vinyl yet, and I'm really excited to do it. So this is going to be really cool. And this is removable premium vinyl, it says. Very pretty colors, very pretty shades of purple. Could do a lot with that. I love getting these boxes because there's so many things you can do with it, and you just get the coolest ideas. Holographic iron-on. Ooh, I love iron-on. And since it's Christmas time, I can do a lot of iron-on projects. Last year, I made a big, gigantic Santa bag for my grandson for Christmas and filled it full of toys. His parents really appreciated that. So there's that one. And there is that one. This one is more of a silver with some yellow specks in it, but it changes colors. And this one is more of a pink than it is a red, but it's very nice. Iron-on design. Wow, look at this. This is cool. I love it. It says Chaos Coordinator. That would be me. And this one says C'est la vie. So very cute. If you were just kind of in a hurry, or you wanted to do something like, I don't know, you could do iron-on a canvas with something like this. Make a sign for someone for Christmas or for the holidays or whatever. Be really nice. Oh, glitter cardstock. Yes. I am a huge fan of glitter. I bet you find that surprising. I love glitter. If it has glitter in it, I usually buy it. So this one is pink. So cool. And we have silver. Ooh, and white. This would be really pretty for a Christmas card. Oh, we got the same colors repeating. So 2 of each color. How about that? That's pretty cool. Yes, there's more. This is party foil. So we have some purple, purple party foil, silver party foil, and pink party foil. So that's it. And then you just stick it back in the box and push it in, and that stores your supplies. So if you've already ordered this, then this is probably what's in your box. And if you have not ordered it, then you probably should order it, because there's some beautiful things in here, and it's worth a lot. So do I think it would be worth the $49.99 if you had to pay that? Yeah, I would pay for that. I would use my coupon at Joann's because, well, they always have great deals and great sales. But I will link to the box if it's still available. And this is it's November 3rd of 2018. So I will link to it if it's still available. If it's not, then just enjoy the video and keep an eye out for when they put these boxes out, because you usually get a little Cricut cutie in them, and then you get all of these wonderful materials that you can use. So thank you for joining me today on The Crafty Author, and we'll be making some things with these materials in the future. Thank you.